Hi, so this is the unboxing for the new ASUS Chromebook, the C223N. This is the UK version. So let's go right ahead. I've already broken the warranty seal here, so let's dive right in. So as you open the box, you immediately get a bit of documentation, and right here on top is the Chromebook. Let's move that out of the way. In here, we've got the UK plug, and I believe that's a USB-C adapter for the notebook itself. Let's put those to one side. Cool, so immediately it's got a nice feel. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. Feels quite substantial. Just the one USB-C port there. USB-C charging, micro USB, headphone, and standard USB. One thing I have just noticed is that you can't really open it with one hand. That's not great, especially when you're holding the camera. Is it going to turn on? Oh, apparently not. Let's plug it in and go from there.